Hey guys, welcome to my first toy review ever. So, real quick, let me just adjust the camera. Yeah, so today is my first toy review ever on this channel, and today we are doing Marvel Studios Ant-Man. And actually, it's Ant-Man and Yellow Jacket. It costs $30, which is really actually a surprisingly good price, because if all of you Marvel Legends geeks out there, like me, know the regular price for one of them. It usually costs $20 plus tax, whatever. But $20. But with this, you can get a set of two. Like you can get Iron Man and Thanos like right here. You can like these two. So yeah, you can get a lot of sets of twos for $30, and you're getting $10 off in every one you get. So I think that's a great deal. First of all, no promo. But yeah. Let's get into it. So we got Legend series, Marvel Legends, made by Hasbro, Ant-Man and Yellow Jacket. And it says, warning, choking hazard right here on the bottom. Warning, choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3 years. Age from 4 to up. So, let's look at the side of this right here. Wow, I like this right here. Has some nice art. First you get Ant-Man on the bottom with a bunch of ants, and if you go right here, if you look a little bit right here, you get Eagle. He's flying. And all the way on the top, it's kind of hard to show, you get Yellow Jacket up there. And on the back, everybody go ahead, pause your screen and read the back. And I love this like little poster thing right here. And yep, now we're gonna go to this side and pause now if you want to read all this, because I'm not going to read all of it, obviously. If you want to read all this, pause and go ahead. I'll hold it right here. There you go. And yeah, let's open this baby up. So, from this side, let's see what we got in here. Take the box closer up. Back here. And yeah, so let's see what we got in here. So we got the original head, Ant-Man's, the actor for Ant-Man. I forgot his name. Let me know in the comments if you remember. The actor for Ant-Man. We got his head. We got the Ant-Man helmet. And we got the suit, which I could honestly say both of them look amazing. Then we got, oh snap, this is really cool. We got miniature Ant-Man and miniature Yellow Jacket. And then we got big size Yellow Jacket with these. I think they're like grabber things where he could stab or use. I'm not sure. Really confused about that too. But yeah, we got that, and we got this. What? Yeah, Dad. Yeah. Love you, Dad. Okay. Dad wants me to make sure my dog's not running around wet, but he isn't, so it's good. Let's keep going with the video. Also, you guys, feel free to make fun of me for that part in the comments. So this background plate, I really like this. We got Thanos, we got Nick Fury, we got Iron Man, we got the Avengers crew up here, and we got where Iron Man first became Iron Man. Wow, I love this. This is something I'm probably gonna have to keep very delicately. So we're gonna put this keep this guy right here. So background right here. Here. Sorry guys. Right here. Hopefully right here is perfect. Yep. So okay guys, so in a second here my dad calls me and I go to help him, so I leave the camera on by accident. So I need you guys, if you want, go ahead and make fun of me for this in the comment. I was gone for a long time, so skip ahead in the video to when I come back. And yeah guys, keep enjoying the video. Stop talking now. Bye. Yes, Dad. Yes, I will. Please hold for the break. What'd you say, Dad? The packet? Wait. Where are they? Wait, Cody, sorry. Okay, sorry for that, guys. So this ends up this half of being a part 2 of the video. Since I had to go and help my dad with something. He needs some water with his pills and everything, so part 2 of the video. Or just a continuation. Again, like this is really hard to get out. I'm not trying to scuff up the paint. And I think I got it. Okay. So first, got out the head. And honestly, this head is really good sculpting and the detail in it too, with the paint and everything. I mean, I definitely do think, like, I gotta say this, out of all honesty, that if they decided to make the hair like a little more realistic, because if you look at the hair, like, could be better. But it's really good regardless about the hair problem, because I really don't care about the hair. Just it's a suggestion for future models. So I got his normal maskless face, and we're gonna take out himself. Oh god, I hate doing this because when I was action figures, I did that, and his foot broke off. So that one ended up in the trash because I couldn't repair it. It was beyond repair. So we got the mask stain. What the? It's supposed to do this, by the way, but this is that's not good. What? The joint ball is smaller than the joint hole for the mask. Marvel Legends, what is wrong with your model? Fix this mask. Everybody who knows anyone personally from Marvel Legends, tell them to fix the joint for this. Let's fix this part, because you gotta make this smaller. I can't repair that because I know I'm gonna ruin the mask, and as you can see, the mask is beautiful with its silver paint and everything, and I don't want to destroy any of it. But yeah, got those two heads, and I'm really, like, that's kind of pissing me off. but it's okay. Let's see if this one actually fits. Please. Let's see. Very softly. Oh no, oof, I don't want to break it. Oh my god, that's not good. Don't break it. I'm not trying to break it. Here I am. Got it on. Okay, so the head actually pretty good. Yeah, this head is actually amazing. So I just want to admire the detail on his outfit. You could feel the outfit, and it feels like actual cloth, even though it's just plastic. But I love the detailing. I think that they probably should have made this part right here red, painted it red, both sides, yeah. But yeah, this paint detail is amazing. We have good joint movement. Can move very far. I like it. The joints are very good. The hands can move too and everything. I really do like this. So, got him out of the package. Now, let's get out the main character. Well, the villain. This is the main character right here. And we're gonna put him off to the side of his other counterparts. Right here. And let's do this miniature version of him, which is very, oh my god, it's so small. This would go, like, playing with this, you could easily lose this, which I'm probably gonna keep inside the case for a while. Wow. This really isn't, I don't like this at all. They don't have any of the detail for the regular one. It's all like black on the bottom, while you can't even see the eyes or anything on him. This, I gotta give it a nope. Nope, it's not good. They really could do better on this and actually make it a little bit bigger, because I don't think it's gonna, well yeah, actually, it's pretty good. But come on, you guys, paint job a little bit better. I'm not trying to say anything like you guys are amazing at your job and I love what you guys do, but just fix the paint job on this. That's all I'm saying. No shots being fired. Just a suggestion. Let me open this. Put him in here. Open. Perfect. And you go. Yellow jacket looks fine. Yellow jacket honestly looks pretty good. Yellow jacket looks a lot better than anything. Wow, yellow jacket's actually really good. It's amazing. Okay, now let's take out yellow jacket. Yeah, guys. Well, the yellow jacket, I'm not gonna say how. I already could say the yellow jacket is 100 times better than the Ant-Man for the small one. But let's see, yellow jacket, amazing. Again, sculptor, and I like that you have this back here. If they could, I would suggest that they made a little, like, a piece like this right here. If you guys could see it right here. But like cut off, so when you take this off, you can push it in, and it has a little thing that you can pull out, just so you don't. So when you want to turn it around, you don't want to have a hole in its back. Just future preferences. I know I'm seeming like the best guy ever, knowing everything, but I'm not trying to be. So yes, I like this that they can come off. They have joints too, which is really cool. Really good detail. And these can move too. They have joints from here and here, and could move and everything. So I like that. Put that off to the side. And what kind of bugs me is that he doesn't have his normal unmasked face on here.
Sorry guys, my camera died at this part, so I have to talk really fast. Bye guys. Thank you for enjoying the video. Bye. Have a great day.
The jacket is sick, and I really enjoy the way he was made. So guys,